It's too small though. If I stood up, it would be. The reason that it looks like down is because I'm slanting and I'm sitting down. So that means that that's going to be too small. Oh, this is my recent one, so I know this fits me. I have the what is it called? It's like the green thing that has an eye in it. I forgot what it's called. That like little small tiny little baby zong in my head. I don't know what it's called. Comment down below if you know what it's called. Yes, I am in elementary. Well, comment down below what grade you are in. Actually, I probably will not. Also, if you're an adult, then don't. But if you're an adult, I'm guessing you won't be watching this. But, laugh. You know, just. So, my whole thing's filled now, so let's count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 29 shirts in here. I could probably fit one more. Try to fit one more. Just one. Just one. Just one. Just one. The rows has 9. I need 10 in all the 3 rows. Breathe their shirts. Breathe. My shirts need to breathe also. Breathe shirts. Oh, I'm standing up. Ooh. And trying to see if this shirt. This shirt fits. Of course, I picked a blue shirt because it's going in the blue aisle. And this is a swimming shirt. I have Harry Potter and Mary Poppins mixed in my head for song for some reason. Oof, oof. Sit down, plop. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.